Hey folks, this is Rush again doing another review of an Airbnb stay in the Dominican Republic. Today's the 15th of March 15th, 2019. All right, let me show you the outside of this thing. The listing is an Airbnb. It's a pretty good place. I stayed here before, and I had the entire place. If you know, if you can see it behind me, it's huge. I had the entire place. It's got balconies here, and another balcony up there. It's got 24-hour security in this direction, and of course, this is the parking lot and the parking area. Let me take you inside. I've stayed here before with my entire family, and we had the whole house to ourselves. I'm not going to be able to give you access to the whole thing, but I'll show you basically what this is. All right, so you get in here. This is the foyer. You can see all the way up to the top level, and this is surprisingly affordable. Once again, I can't tell you the price, but I'll definitely tell you that it's definitely worth the dollar. This is the first floor bathroom, right? Of course, you got a living room right here. Walk you real quick through it. Give you a spin around. Okay, this is pretty good. Now outside here, there is a pool. You have 24-hour access to the pool. Okay, that's the dining area. This is the dining area. That was the living room. Of course, you have a kitchen. Nice little kitchen right here. Okay, complete with refrigerator and a door. Well, let me do a little bit slower. The refrigerator, right? Utensils, and a door that gives you access to the pool. All right, let me take you upstairs to the room that I'm staying in. This is the stairwell, takes you upstairs. As you can see, each landing, it's really classy. Looks like they spent a lot of money and time to make this place look great. Got to punch in my code too. Okay, and this is one of the rooms that I'm staying in. They have many rooms, but I don't have access to all of them. But this right here is where I'm staying right now. It's pretty big, wide windows, also looking out into the pool. This is Sosua Dominican Republic. It's closer to Charamicos, which is the village or the town right before you hit El Bate, which is the area on the other side of the beach. This here, you have the terrace and the balcony, and of course you have a beautiful view of the ocean. Of course, the pool, and it's well protected. There's a little house over there, La Cabana. You can rent that as well. But pretty much I have this whole place to myself for now, and it was very affordable. It was very nice. Like I said, you have a good view. You're up and away because it's along on the mountainside, so it's up and away from everything else. This is the other balcony. And I think somebody's staying up there, but that's the other balcony where you can see. But this is a beautiful little find. And like I said, it's available on Airbnb. Your host at this time is Christina, and she's been helpful. Yeah, like I said, this is affordable. It's great for families. If you have a whole family and a lot of people, this is a good place to come. This is a good place to stay because there's so many rooms, and each room is unique. They have big rooms and small rooms. I think they have about 4 or 5 bedrooms. Excuse me. And if you're like a guy, if you're a single guy, this is ideal. Like I said, it's away from the main strip, high up. You got a beautiful view of the surrounding city and of course of the ocean, and it's quiet. It's quiet. Nobody bothers you, and it's very relaxing. And I can even play my music sometimes loud at night. I have my iPad, and I ain't bothering nobody. I don't blast it, but definitely play it. Okay. So this is it. This is my room. This is the highest bed. It actually has a step stool, this bed. And of course, this is the bathroom. There we go. All right. So let me make sure I covered all of the important points. This is in Sosua, Dominican Republic, closer to Charamicos than Sosua. It's close to Playero, which is the supermarket that sells everything that we usually have in the States. I'm from New York, the Bronx. So, there's certain things that I like to get, and they actually have those kinds of products, which you don't find all over the Dominican Republic. We do have access to the kitchen, but they're telling me that it costs a little bit extra. But you definitely got a little refrigerator that keeps things warm. Warm. It keeps things cold. And if you're into television, they got one of those too. All right, that's it. It's your boy Rush. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll get back to you on my next little getaway. Peace.